All right, foods that help the teeth. I'll be honest with you, I'm not too up on that, but to keep it natural. Carrots are a natural tooth cleaner. It helps it knock off tartar and calculus. Foods that are bad for your teeth, well, that's pretty obvious. Sugars and acids, okay? People who drink soda, sugar and carbonic acid, that eats your teeth up really bad. I see a lot of everyday soda drinkers. They start getting all the enamel eaten away around the gum line. And sugars, of course. You eat sugars and you leave it on your teeth, you don't brush it, pretty soon you're gonna start a cavity. Foods that are healthy for the teeth, you might wanna look that up, but eat natural. You know, don't eat things that are gonna break your teeth, of course. Don't open beer bottles with your teeth. Don't do that stuff. Don't chew ice. I've seen people break their teeth on ice a lot. But avoid acids, avoid sugars, and try to eat as healthy as possible. And if you're developing, you wanna make sure you have calcium in your diet. Well, I would say pretty much any of those all those granola bars, Nutri-Grain bars, check them out because a lot of them are really high in sugar. Make sure you read and see, because you'll say, oh, that's healthy, but when you look at it, oh my God, there's 24 grams of sugar in that. So that's not only for your teeth, but also for your body also. So make sure you read the labels. Pretty much everybody's a little addicted to sugar, so that's something that you want to try to cut down.